Here we are off to Floral Island Resort, which is a private island. The boat trip there was a little bit rough, but they covered our bags with a tarp, so that was all good. When we arrived at the island, we were greeted by two dogs, one named Oreo and the other named Koi. Oreo is Koi's mother. The weather was really windy the entire time we stayed here, but I managed to get my drone up anyway. That just goes to show how strong the Mavic Mini actually is, but I didn't push it too far. It was great being on a private island, but we also got our own private villas. I chose the bamboo villa, which was right on the beach. The bamboo villa had a really nice indoor-outdoor bathroom. There was literally a tree growing in the middle of the room. Mum and Dad stayed in the honeymooners villa, which had a heart-shaped doorway. The staff at the resort prepared all of our meals for us, and they made it really nice at night time by lighting candles. Our days on the island were spent exploring, relaxing, and snorkelling. The dogs were very concerned when they jumped off the diving board. One of the things we did whilst on the island was coral planting. This involved attaching small pieces of coral to a metal raft. One thing I couldn't help but notice is that in the Philippines, a lot of the Filipinos like to wear thongs everywhere. The coral planting was a good experience, although it felt more like volunteer work rather than a paid activity. One day our coral will grow into a nice coral garden like the others that are already there. last day, it was my mum's birthday, so they organised a really special dinner. They decorated with fairy lights, flowers, made us a really nice meal and a birthday cake for mum. Floral Island Resort was definitely the highlight of our trip. And as the staff line up saying goodbye, that brings me to the end of the video.